So the dogs are in the back. So the first thing you want to do is install the headrest brackets onto the headrest. Just slide them all the way up like that and place them back on the seats. So slide the brackets on both the headrests on both sides. So the next thing you want to do is you want to grab these plastic knobs, these M10 plastic knobs, and it's really quick and easy. Just position the barrier up and install the knobs. So what this means is when you don't need the barrier, you can remove it in about 2 minutes flat. And this design here allows the seats to recline, so you can adjust the angle without too much trouble. So this is the pet barrier for the RAV4. Really easy to install, looks great, and will keep your pets out the back. Real easy to remove as well, just 4 knobs. And just attaches to your headrest there. Quite sturdy considering it's only on the headrest. Will easily keep your dogs in the back there.